Python is popular language in IT industries. Maybe if you learn Python, we can do coding in many multiple domains. That's why maybe learning Python is more useful in case if you're opting to become software engineers, or even if you create something of your own, Python may be more helpful. That's the concept behind even academies to teach students or school students Python. Hmm? But as you might be already knowing, when we teach school kids, we don't start don't start straight away with text-based coding, because text-based coding may be a bit difficult and bit boring to some of you at least, if not to everyone. So we usually go with block-based coding for all school kids. And in that same sense, now we are starting with block-based coding of Python. Do any of you know the platform that is used for block-based coding of Python? Do any of you know about it? I'm just asking for curiosity. It's okay even if you don't know. Are you all seeing my browser window?
Yes,
Maybe.
we can.
Okay, in this browser window, I will again go for Google. I will not directly type the platform name here because that may take us somewhere else also. And in Google, I will search for EduBlocks. This is the name of the platform in which we are going to do blocks coding of Python. See, the link is edublocks.org, or in the address bar, you can directly type this link of edublocks.org. And logging into this is through our Google ID also, which I prefer more convenient. So when I go for sign in, it takes my Google ID. And maybe since I've already signed in many times, it may not take much time for me.
Miss Abhinaytri,
Yes?
in chat, Utkarsh, whenever you asked what platform we use for block coding in Python, he said Visual Studio Code. So I was wondering if that's like an advanced version where you can practice Python.
Just a minute. It is there in the
Mhm.
chat you tell, but I don't see any chat. Okay, it is there, but why was it not being highlighted? Visual Studio Code. Maybe there's one more platform to do block-based Python. And to be frank, I have not used this Visual Studio Code for block-based version of Python. So I'm not aware. Is it like you mentioned, this is for advanced coding? Oh, this for text-based coding is mentioning, Utkarsh is mentioning.
Mhm.
So what is your opinion, dear? Have you also tried this Visual Studio Code for
Uh,
Python?
I haven't, but I was just wondering because Utkarsh said he has experience with Python. So I
Okay.
was just wondering.
Fine, dears. So I want all of you guys to enter into this edublocks.org on your computer. I may be checking your works at the end of the class or maybe in between also. So please enter into this edublocks.org. Go to your browser, type edublocks.org in its address bar. It will ask you for maybe registering or signing in. And better we do that through our Google ID. Just a minute, boys. Let me know once you all enter into this edublocks.org, which is the platform for our block-based Python now. Are you all trying? Yeah, Utkarsh has given me thumbs up. Okay, maybe for this only. What about others? Are you all trying at least to enter into edublocks.org?
Yeah, I'm in.
Okay, you're in. Good. Angelina, you joined the class just now, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Dear, we are going to learn block-based version of Python here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Because block-based is more easier for kids. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
For that sake, you need to open a browser and in its address bar, type edublocks.org because edublocks is a platform which we are going to use for block-based Python.
Okay, I've done that, ma'am.
So there you see a button like register sign in. So better you register or sign in through your Google ID, either your or your parents' Google ID. So that you will come to the screen that I'm seeing. Okay, Srivardhan is registered. So whoever, Srivardhan, Rohan, Ashwant, and maybe even some more. Are you with the same screen that I'm seeing now? And that is there on my screen now? Same kind
Yes,
of
ma'am.
blocks? Okay, okay, boys. So let all of us come to the screen. So I hope everyone is done with signing into EduBlocks platform. So here, students, if you see, you have a button kind of like create new project below which Python 3, HTML, microbit, circuit Python are all there. So these are all Python 3, HTML are the different computer languages whose block version is being supported by EduBlocks. Understand?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So
Understood.
since it is
Yes.
a Python workshop,
Understand.
we are going to click on Python 3. 3 may be the version of Python that has been implemented in this EduBlocks. So all of you click on Python 3 button, wherein you get this create project pop-up window. Are you all seeing create project pop-up window?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
You're
Ma'am.
seeing mode as Python 3 and type is already been selected as blocks. Means we are going to create blocks based project of Python 3. And project name is something maybe peculiar and interesting. I've got it as summer dust and you might have got it with some other interesting name. Is it? Reaction, please.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, those names are really interesting. I actually love these project names which EduBlocks gives us, surprisingly, but they may not suit our project work. So to suit our project name, I prefer to give name on my own, and now I would be giving the name as drawing because I've chosen drawing using Python as our first project. So you can also name the same like drawing instead of some other interesting name which EduBlocks platform is given for your project. And after giving that suitable name, click on create button. Someone has joined very recently. Can I know their name?
Hi, my name is Pranav.
Pranav. Pranav, I want you to join a platform called EduBlocks. The address is edublocks.org. So in your browser's address bar, you need to type edublocks.org. Can you type that?
Yeah.
And you should sign in or register into this platform through the Google ID of either yours or your parents.
Okay.
Yeah, let me know once you're done with this much. Or all others created your new project on drawing
Yes,
and you
ma'am.
have named it also suitably.
Yeah.
So one all done with, no. See on the left side of your project screen, you do see some colorful buttons like imports, variables, statements, and all, right? When we
Yes,
click on
ma'am.
them, again, many blocks under them. See, among all this, there is something called turtle. And this turtle is a drawing tool. Okay. So I just want all of you to go through all the blocks. If you want, you can try also. How is trying, Just pull the blocks, attach it with start code here, and run the code. A run button is there on top right side. So be trying or be browsing through the blocks of this turtle category. Okay. Can you do that, boys? Students? Boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes,
okay. Please carry
ma'am.
on. Carry on.
Yes, ma'am.
By that time, I hope even the new joinees will join this EduBlocks platform. Here, in our project page, see on left side, we do have all the blocks under different categories. Okay, why under different categories? So that it's easy for us to look for a particular block. And see, in the main area, we do have again partition. The left side is having a block like start code here. Are you all seeing it? Start code here, yellowish orange colored block.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
See, so this particular area is block-based coding. And we are going to do only block-based coding of Python here. But whatever block we put here, maybe I just randomly select some block. See, the corresponding text-based coding is appearing on the right-sided screen. Are you seeing it? Right-sided black-colored screen in which
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
it's like though we learn block-based coding here, we can observe its text-based coding version also. Because students, see, it is text-based coding which is being used by software engineers in industries. Block-based coding is only for students to start learning coding. So at the end of your coding journey, you have to learn text-based coding. So this platform is like, though it entertains us to do block-based coding, it also shows its text version. So upon observing this text version, down the line, it would be easy for us to do text-based coding because we would have observed it during these stages of block-based coding. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So as I already told you, it is the turtle, which is a drawing tool in this Python. So we'll be using most of the blocks under this turtle category for our drawing today. Okay. And boys, see, there is a concept called modules or maybe some other projects in Python. What is that? No. See, modules means it is just like a project file which we have created just now. A drawing project file we have created, and this Python would already have some project files within it. Why are those all project files? Because as you might be knowing, see, even software engineers don't write everything from the scratch, everything from the beginning. Even they use some ready-made codes. Those ready-made codes would have been kept by the language creator itself for the use of the programmers or coders. In the same way, even in block-based version, there are already some ready-made projects and codes within it kept for our usage. Understanding? Please
Yes,
react.
ma'am.
Yes.
So we'll be making use of those ready-made codes to ease in our work of coding. Okay. And now that ready-made code that we need to use is like, see, I've used this turtle block. No, see, if I run this, are you seeing turtle is equal to turtle and some pair of parenthesis block on my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So if I run just
Yeah.
this code, this some maybe simple code, see on right sided screen where we used to see the text-based coding, I'm now seeing name error. Means my code has got some error. And that error description is turtle is not defined. Means there is no meaning for this block output, it means to say. It is because, I will tell you one more thing. See, in this block, I do see a pair of parentheses. Is it?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you see, whenever we see that, it means that is a code. There is a code named with this turtle and kept somewhere else by this EduBlocks people for our usage. So to use some of these course, we need to import something. Import means you might be knowing from the knowledge of your social science, importing and exporting. The meanings of the words importing and exporting. Do you know? Please tell me, what do you mean by importing?
It means to like bring something outside into
Uh-huh.
something.
Yeah. So importing means getting outside, is it? And exporting means giving to those outside people. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So now use this code called turtle, and even one more code is there called screen. I will tell you about those blocks later. To use them, since they are in some other project, just like a drawing project, but that some other project is being created by EduBlocks people, we should import that particular project. So that to import that, the block is from turtle import. So this should be the very first block in all our drawing projects. So with this, if I run the code once again, I will not be getting the error. See, now no error. And no output also, because I have not done anything. I have not done any constructive coding now. So no output, but even no error when I click on run button. So I want all of you also to put this from turtle import block from the category of imports, because that should be the very first block in all our drawing projects. And let me through your reactions. Let me know through your reactions once you complete that. That is putting from turtle import block. Good, Utkarsh. I want the reactions from others also. Yeah, fine, dears. Then we'll go to this turtle category itself. As I mentioned, we'll be using most of the blocks from here. So put that turtle is equal to turtle as well screen is equal to screen block. So now our code should have from turtle import block, turtle is equal to turtle block and screen is equal to screen block. 3 extra new blocks our code should have. Let me know once you all pulled these 3 blocks into your code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, good. See, this turtle is equal to turtle block. As I mentioned, it is also a code which is present in a project file turtle. And that code, turtle code, is to get ready a drawing tool ready. I mean, to get the drawing tool ready for our project, drawing project. And screen block will keep the canvas ready for a drawing project. Why do we need canvas? Because upon canvas, we are going to draw. So turtle block makes our drawing tool ready for our project, and screen block will make canvas ready for our project. And these 2 blocks are must, because to draw something, drawing tool is must, and it is good if we draw on canvas. So these 2 blocks are must, and all together these 3 blocks from turtle import, turtle and screen are the must blocks for any drawing project.
So the screen is like the canvas and the turtle is like a pencil. And
Yes,
without them, you can't draw.
yes, you're right. So remember, students, these 3 blocks are must to draw anything. And you can also run with these 3 blocks and check for no errors. And boys, then after these three blocks, I hope you're all done with these three blocks, which are must for all drawing projects. After that, I pulled a block from turtle category as screen dot setup. You also pull that block, please. And let me know through reaction once you're done with that.
Done.
Yeah. See, in this block, you see two numbers. Those two numbers are the dimensions of our screen canvas. See, there the default numbers are something more than 1000. If we run with that, we'll see the entire output screen with some gray color. This gray colored screen is the visual output screen, means it's the output screen for drawing. And now I've reduced it to just 100 and 100, wherein my visual output screen is become small. Do you observe? Do you observe it?
Yes,
Student?
ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah, and I want you
Yeah.
also to try the same. Yeah, and let me know through thumbs up that you're also getting the same kind of output. That is when you reduce the numbers in setup block, the visual output screen, that is the screen for our drawing output, is very small. Angelina is done with that. Good, dear. Yeah, even Sahiti. Nice, Sahiti. And I want some more thumbs ups to continue. So remember, this setup block is for fixing the size of our screen, that is canvas. Fine, fine, Rohan. Then, dears, under the same turtle category, we do have the blocks. Oh, sorry. We do have blocks of BG color also. BG here stands for background. So, this screen.bg color block is to set the background color of our screen, which comes with three numbers. Please pull that block also. All of you pull screen.bg color block into our code. Fine, fine, Angelina. And after a few more thumbs up, I should be explaining you about these three numbers. Before that, I want a few more thumbs up. Few more thumbs up to complete till this stage of screen.bg color. Fine, Sahiti. Yeah, I hope you're done till this stage of screen.bg color. See, here we do see three numbers, right? These three numbers stand for something called RGB, where RGB is abbreviation for the basic colors red, green, and blue. Why these three, red, green, and blue, called basic colors? Because they say if we combine these three colors with particular concentration, no, red, green, blue, we can get all other colors of the world. That's why these three might be named as basic colors. Understand? So the three numbers mentioned in BG color block is for the concentration of the basic colors red, green, and blue, RGB. I want some reactions, please. Give me reactions even if you're not understood. Or ask me clearly.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, dears, fine, dears. See, from past maybe some 5 minutes, I'm seeing reactions only from Sahiti and Angelina. What about others? Fine, Utkarsh. So in these three blocks, you usually do see a number between 0 and 255. But to understand why are only these numbers, you need to understand into the binary number system of computer, which may be very vast, a vast topic to take now in this workshop. But if you join for our Python regular classes, we will be teaching you that binary coding of Python in one separate project. Right now, you understand that in these three positions, we need to put a number in between 0 and 255 itself. Even if you put a number more than 255, it is of no use. The code may not give any error, but it is of no use. Okay. So in case if you put the 0 here, see now in this particular block of ours, in place of G and B, that is green and blue color, the numbers are zeros, right? Which means no concentration of green or blue color has been taken. Whereas for red, we do have the maximum number of 255, which means the highest concentration, full concentration of red color has been taken, is the meaning. Understand? So with this, if we run the same code again, we should get our canvas in red color. All of you try for it. Pull that screen.bg color block and then run your code. And tell me what you observe in the output.
Whenever you do that, the canvas would turn red because that's the background color.
Yes, yes. Try changing the color, no? See, I mentioned we can pick up any concentration of these three colors. So pick up different concentrations, maybe by using the numbers in between 0 and 255, and try for some other canvas color also. See, now I'm keeping the red to the maximum extent and adding to it a bit of green and blue also. Running it again. See, now my canvas is not of that pure green. Instead, it has been added with some other colors to make it maybe pinkish or peach color. You also try for this, please, and let me know once you get different canvas color based on the numbers you have put in BG color block. So maybe with the next 1 minute, I want many more thumbs up regarding this BG color block. And in case if you're facing any issue, you can let me know that also. Yes, I'm expecting some thumbs up regarding the usage of this BG color. If you succeeded with the usage of this BG color by putting, thanks Sahiti, different numbers in place of RGB, give me thumbs up. Thank you, Utkarsh. If you're facing any issue, then also you can let me know, please. Okay, thank you, Angelina. Maybe I should go further. So again, from total category, will not take that forward block now. Before that, we need to have some more. See, this turtle.speed block is there. No, this is to set the speed of a drawing. But sometimes it may not work. But just understand that that will set the speed of a drawing. Means if you put a higher number over there, speed will be more. With smaller number, speed will be less. Just understand that with the speed block. Okay, then taking we'll use that go to block also later. The set adding is to set is to orientation of a turtle. See, I told turtle is a drawing tool, and on the canvas you're seeing some arrow kind of icon. That is nothing but a turtle. And with the set adding block, we'll orient it, we'll point it to some particular direction. See, by default, if you don't mention any direction for that, it will be pointing to the right side of your screen. Are you all observing the same on your screen? Turtle, that is the
Ma'am.
arrow is pointing to the
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
But
Yes,
now by
ma'am.
using the set adding 45-degree block, if I run the code once again, it will set to an angle of 45 degree to that right-sided direction. I want you all also to try the same. Pull down turtle dot set heading block. It comes with a number of 45 degree, and if you run that, see, we see that turtle got oriented towards left a bit. It is not horizontal now. It is oriented towards left a bit. And that orientation, see, before it had oriented in this direction. Now it is being oriented in this direction. And the angle between these two directions is 45. That is the meaning of the number 45 in a set heading block. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
You can
ma'am.
try
Yeah.
with different numbers in the set heading block to orient, to see turtle getting oriented into different directions. Please try that and let me know through reactions. Thank you, Utkarsh. Yes, Angelina, good. Yeah, I want few thumbs up after you try with the set heading blocks. So after that, we'll be moving on to some of the blocks. And boys, as I observe in this first session of our workshop, maybe our progression is slow. It is because we have many students in this workshop. So please bear with the speed. And then we do have turtle dot shape block with this. We can fix different shapes for our turtle. It is not only this arrow. We can have triangle also, square also, and maybe a circle and some classic style. We can go for any designs, any patterns, any pattern shape for our turtle. So if I run the code now by selecting classic pattern, my turtle would look something different than what we are seeing now. Oh, classical itself is what we are seeing now. So if we select it to maybe square, I will select it. I want all of you also to try the same dears. Use turtle.shape block to set different pattern for our turtle. The one we are seeing may be classic pattern. Yeah, now turtle is appearing as a square. So I want all of you to try this. So the blocks, good dears. So the blocks discussed today are like from turtle import, that is to import a project related with some of the course of turtle, and turtle and screen to keep our turtle, that is drawing tool and canvas ready. And these three blocks are must for any drawing. Then setup blocks is to have different sizes for our canvas. Then BG color is to have different background color, that is different canvas color. And there the three numbers are with respect to the basic colors, red, green, and blue. And the two numbers in setup block are the dimensions, that is length and breadth of our canvas. And then speed block is to change the speed of our drawing, which we are going to do in tomorrow's class. And then set heading is to orient our turtle in different directions, means to turn our turtle in different directions. And shape block is to have different pattern for our turtle. Apart from arrow, which we see, which is called classic pattern, we can also have square, circle, and triangle patterns also, for which we use turtle.shape block. So we are almost done with the basic setup required for a drawing. Maybe in tomorrow's class, we'll be looking at some more setup if needed, then moving on to drawing. So is all these blocks discussed today are clear to you?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
If
Yes,
any of
ma'am.
you have any doubts or need some clarifications, please let me know. So out of this silence, can I understand like none of you have any doubts or clarifications, any questions for me as of now? Okay, good, Utkarsh. Thanks for your response. Any other response for me to have understood like no doubts, no questions, no clarifications as of now? Fine, fine, dears. So if that's the case, I will be stopping to share my screen and we all can leave today's class and join tomorrow's class at the same time. So see you all tomorrow at the same time. What is Aradhya's question? What is Utkarsh? Wait, what to do? I didn't hear you. I'm actually not understanding the questions of. Okay, okay. No, there were the questions before. Yes, boys. So we can leave the class, right? Take good care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.